Did you know the economic cost to society from alcohol is $249 billion? $249 billion just disappears in society because of the way people drink alcohol.
Really?
That makes it one of the United States' most expensive problems, man. Talk about tax dollars. 76 million people right now are suffering from AUD. That's alcohol use disorder. 14.5 million of those people are here in the United States. And because we're all taught to drink like alcoholics, there's an excessive amount of physical, mental health problems. Alcohol is considered one of the leading causes in decreased life expectancy. You may be drinking alcohol to improve your life, but you're slowly taking yourself out, man. That's what happened to me. Not only that, dude, but alcohol is the third most preventable cause of death. Bro, AA and all these programs don't work for everybody, and actual sobriety is a highly individualized approach. So if you've tried a bunch of different solutions already and none of them work, this is where it's important to get a highly individualized approach to your specific sobriety solution. And what works for you wouldn't work for me. Might work for them though. So you've mentioned you've tried a bunch of other things before, like what, a 12-step program, like AA, and that didn't work for you? You ever tried motivation enhancement therapy? Like actually having someone that wants to see you win, encouraging you on your journey? And so you mentioned that friends and family already tried to do an intervention, and that just made you so upset that you decided to drink even more. And that's why anxiety management didn't really work for you, right? So have you ever tried the community reinforcement approach, like having a massive group of people that know exactly how you feel and are actually encouraging you as a community? You've never tried that before? I'm afraid to even ask you this, man, because most people struggling in sobriety would never even consider this approach, and honestly, it won't work where you're at. But have you ever tried mindfulness therapy? Yeah, like meditation and stuff. Never considered it? Most people haven't. The truth is, man, that people who are suffering respond more positively to positive reinforcement therapy options. So instead of me kicking your ass and attempting to fear you or make you feel bad about how well you're doing, the reverse of that is showing you how well you're doing and encouraging you to move even further. That's why we have Beyond Sober, dude, and that's why it's saved thousands of lives already. It's because that fear gives us a reason to drink, and we are here to celebrate your successes. Dude, no matter where you are in your journey, dude, it is important that you practice drinking less alcohol regardless. I guarantee you that 95% of the things that you're struggling with will be fixed or will fix themselves simply by not drinking as much alcohol as you do right now. And I don't care what you're dealing with, physical, financial, spiritual, or emotional, man. And if you're struggling, dude, just go ahead and check my page, dude. There is 4 of the most powerful sobriety resources on planet Earth. And what's most important that you remember, dude, is it's okay to call this moment your rock bottom.